If you want big, healthy, and delicious potatoes in your pantry, there's no better place to start than Washington State. The Columbia Valley has the perfect climate to grow amazing tubers. But without the perfect team of people and a lot of hard work, none of this is possible. Here at Dale Christensen and Sons, Damon Christensen works alongside his brothers and father to grow these big, beautiful potatoes.
So it looks pretty desolate out here, and there's a lot of crunching because of all the dead vines and everything, but there's still life beneath us, right?
There's still a lot of life left in these hills. We do what we call top kill. Desiccation just takes out what's green on top. Leaves it like this, it just helps us get ready for harvest, make things a little cleaner in the end. Even though we're killing the greens, the rest of it is still very much alive underneath.
How many of you are there in your family that are working the farm?
I'm one of 5 boys. My dad was one of 5 boys. And my grandpa was one of 5. He did have a sister, though. Working with family can sometimes be pretty hard. We have ups and downs for our own, but I feel like between my brothers and I, we're our own best friends. We get together and do things all the time.
What brings you joy in the work that you do here? What's a good day?
A good day is this, being out in the field. I am not an office person, so the more I'm outside, the happier I am in the end. And it's very, very fulfilling to put something in the dirt and watch it grow and turn around and pull it out of the dirt in the end.
Time to see how these potatoes look.
What am I looking for?
So when I'm looking at these potatoes, I want to look at stem counts. Oh, yeah. There might be 3 stems there. That'll be a good spot.
Okay. Oh, look at that. Wow, there's a big mamma jamma. Now, what type of potatoes are these again?
These are a russet Norcota.
Russet Norcota.
Yep, they're known for having nice shape. You know, a good blocky potato. Mm-hmm. That's something I would grab in a grocery store.
Absolutely. We're just gonna put these guys back and say you can sleep some more?
Yep.
Before we headed to the packing shed, I got caught up in some family shenanigans.
I'm not a very good throw.
Oh my gosh. Let's see if I can hit somebody. No.
It's a good potato.
That's a nice.
That one might end up in Costco for you.
All right, fun's over. Time to see the packing shed.
So this is our receiving line. Mm-hmm. Potato trucks come in here, unload. They go up this long conveyor, head into the facility into big storage bins. The darkness helps keep the potatoes away from light. As a potato receives light, it starts to green up.
And then you should keep them stored then in a dark place.
Yeah, and so in your home, keep them in a dark corner. Cool, dark is best.
From here, the potatoes are washed and cleaned, then head over to be sized.
So as these potatoes come across the sizer, they get laid onto these cables. Mm-hmm. These cables will move along here at 50 miles an hour. So imagine trying to take a picture of
a
potato at 50 miles an hour. It gives a green light on the size to hit these little bumpers down here and knock the potatoes off onto each of these conveyors, going every which way, feeding these bins. We're gonna take a look in our camera box.
All right.
We'll open up the top here. Camera takes a picture coming this way, looking at the potato. There is a mirror on the other side. And so it'll use that mirror on the other side and try to capture as much of that potato as we can in an image.
And again, this is at 50 miles an hour?
This is at about 50 miles an hour.
Hot diggity dog.
So this is our cold room. After the potatoes are packed, they come in here and get staged in order to go out on trucks. We'll make sure they're squared and set up, and off they go. And this is the last thing I have to worry about. They get out the door and we're done.
Bye-bye.